5-minute van tour. This is just an edited down and sped up version of my 35-minute tour. Link in the description and at the end of this video to that one. We're in a hurry, so let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you need to know about this build is that it's a foam bones. It's insulation foam XPS foamular foam with a screen mounted to it for rigidity. That's the bones of this entire build. Let's just have a quick tour here and get this show on the road. So we got the closet. Pretty straightforward. Towel rack, couple cutting boards in here, some toiletries, drawers, etc. Lots of other drawers, and all of them are cut out so that we can have all of the space possible in each of those areas. Refrigerator there, toilet there, a couple more drawers, and a charge drawer. Then we have all these expanding countertops. So all of these pull out, slide out, rotate out, whatever, so that you can have as much possible counter space in the van, but you can also put that counter space away when you don't need it. Putting all these countertops away. Cutting boards up onto the sink there, little drying rack area there. The dog bed's underneath our bed, and then we have electrical access into here, and a couple of little hidey holes. Cabinet wise, we got some linens in those two, normal old pantry in the other two. This is the coffee bar, coffee and booze in those ones. Then we got this dog cargo net. Now we keep our dogs up in the bed sometimes when we're traveling, so we gotta have a net to keep them from falling out. We also have this bedroom curtain that draws across to trap heat and light out from that area. We have a projector that shows up on that screen. We also have this auxiliary heat system for heat and AC pumping back into the bedroom through these vents. Cab shelving over the top of our cab area, and we have the command center. Starlink, we have a monitoring system and a secondary stereo, as well as some dimmable lights and a bunch of switches for turning things on and off in the van, including red light district, which is great for the eyes when you're trying to keep that night vision going. Back into the bedroom here, and we got lots of little tricks. Obviously, we have the hamper that goes down into the underside, windows in the back here, phone chargers, reading lights, cabinetry for all of our clothing, a hatch that goes onto the roof. Moving back up into the front here, tile ceiling, and we have a rear view mirror, dash cam, phone chargers. Moving back into the garage area here, we got your chairs and your plumbing stuff on the left here. We also have the 4 bins in the center area here. And then in the next bin over, we have a secondary refrigerator. We also have an outdoor shower and some lights there on either side, some storage bins for hardware, and then some tool storage down here underneath. Now, we got this grilling station. You just open the door, lay it flat, put the grill on it, etc., etc. This is our typical configuration when we're parked. This door here is where we store our water fill, and we also have the outdoor shower there. Electrical tour, there's a link for that up here if you're interested in seeing the electrical tour. But then we have this hatch that goes onto the roof. We got the Weboost, the Starlink, the solar panel, the recovery mats. We also have this awning that pops out, and we're all set up. Now let's get this move done, and we're gonna set myself up for work here. I work from the road. All of my laptops and my headphones and my mouse and everything hide in this little cabinetry here where they can also charge. Set all that up and you're ready to go. Okay, if you found that interesting, there's a link to the full version of the tour up here, and there's a link to my foam build series playlist right down here. I make videos every single week about this van build, and if you're interested in these kinds of things, give me a like and a subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, here's to long roads.